So this is one of the honest videos I am making with regards to my revenue over here. Not every YouTuber actually talks about the revenue that they get, but hey, I am here to motivate and inspire you with my journey, you understand. And so in this video, straight away, I'm going to let you know how much YouTube paid me. Yes, YouTube paid me for 14,000 views. That is 14k views. To be able to get 14,000 views on YouTube isn't that easy, but hey, it's also good to do all that you can to get these views that I'm talking about. So after I was able to get these 14,000 views, how much did YouTube pay me? And that's exactly what I'm going to take you through. And as you know, whenever I make a video like this, I take time and then take you through the analytics, what caused that views and what also caused that revenue. Either it's appreciable revenue or it's below belt. I will let you know what actually caused that. So I'll send you straight away to the YouTube studio and I'll show you the amount I had from these 14,000 views and what actually caused that, so that if you're a monetized channel, you actually learn from that. And if there are some mistakes that I made, you would stop making those mistakes so that you increase your revenue. And if there is something good that I did over here that made my revenue skyrocketed, you can also do that so that you increase your revenue. And to you, the small YouTubers, I am most importantly always about you, because I want to help you grow and grow and grow. Yes, I'm talking about monetization, I'm talking about YouTube earnings in this particular video, but it's about you, because it will help you get to find out what is ahead of you so that you can package yourself, so you do the right thing and then you get your account monetized within few days, so that you can also be earning amounts like this or even higher like this one. So without wasting more time, let us get straight onto the studio. Let me show you exactly how I was able to get this amount, yes, from the 14,000 views that I had in my YouTube studio. Actually, this one I'm using the YouTube studio application, so you can use the YouTube studio application for some of these options. All right, so this is particularly the video. All right, the video is Atasma discovers the hidden story behind the mysterious goldfish in Ghana. That's in Offenso Ashanti region. Okay, so that's a video I made on my exploration channel. Actually, if you've not subscribed to my exploration channel, you're missing a lot. Okay, so Atasma explores on YouTube over here. Search for it and you'll get that particular channel, and then you subscribe to that. Over here, this video has gotten you 14,644 views since it was published. Okay, that is it over here, 14.6k, and then the watch hours, 1.3 watch hours, getting me a whole amount of 19 subscribers over here. Great. So now we are getting to the reach of the video. I'm going to show you something over here before I let you know the amount I had from YouTube out of this 14,000 views. Okay, so the impressions was 10,700, as you can see clearly over here. 10,700. That means the thumbnail of the video was shown to 10,700 people, or it was shown 10,700 times onto the devices of people, and then it had 5.6 impressions. That means the rate at which people clicked on that was 5.6. It was also able to get me 14.6 thousand views, as it is showing clearly over here, as you can see over here. Great, so that is it. And then it got me 0 unique viewers. Okay, so now let's proceed and then we'll take it from there. Over here, when you get to down over here, you could see that how viewers find this video through external. External means that either you shared it on WhatsApp or from website or on Telegram and all that. Okay, so I'll show you this particular video got a lot of external search, because one popular website in Ghana here took that video and then made a story on that. Okay, I think it's either trending it's either modernghana.org or Ghana Web. Yeah, I'm sure it's Ghana Web. So it made the video actually go viral. All right, and then okay, so these are the external side here, Ghana Web, as you can see over here. So Ghana Web made a story on that, 71.9%, and then PHX feeds also 20.4, and then from WhatsApp that was 3.9. So that is the reach. And then YouTube search terms. All right, the term that YouTube people normally search to get this video, Ghana tourism, also recommended that, and then SVTV Africa also recommended that. These are the content that suggested this particular video. All right, so these are the content suggesting my video. Out of that, it shows you the percentage over here. You have 3.6% from these ones. Oh, okay. Anyway, so after knowing that, let's get straight away to the engagement. Actually, I'm taking time to let you understand every bit of it so that when we get to the monetization or when we get to the revenue aspect or the revenue part, you understand it very, very well. The watch time, 1.3K watch time, average view duration, that's 5.35 out of the 4 minutes of that particular video. The video is around 27, as you can see over here, 27.30 minutes, and I had the average view was 5.35 minutes. Okay, so that is it. Let's get over here to check something. The audience, that is exactly where I had these views from. Okay, actually this particular video was published around June, July, there about 2023. I will show you something about that one. Okay, so now this is the audience. So I had 18 to 24 years watching, 25 to 34 watching, 35 to 44 watching, 45 to 54 watching, 55 to 64 watching, 65 plus watching. So it seems all categories of ages were actually watching the particular video. All right, so it feels so good to actually find it this particular way. All right, so male people were actually watching it the more. Now the top geography, that is the most important thing, as I showed you recently in one of my videos, that where you get your views from actually will determine the amount you're going to get from the views. All right, so that is it. At the top geographies, Ghana is topping with 62.8. That means a lot of views came from Ghana, making United States 11.7, United Kingdom 8.3. Oh, that's quite unfortunate, you know. So that is it. And I'm going straight away, after showing all this, I'm going straight away to show you the revenue, the amount I had from YouTube for this 14,000 views. That is it over here on your screen. That is 0.27. Oh my goodness, this is quite discouraging, trust me. But hey, I'll show you the reason it happens this way. Yes, it may sound discouraging to some of you guys, but hey, it is not, because of what actually happened and what actually triggered that. I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so now this is the amount I had, 0.27, just 0.27 dollars, not even up to $1, 0.27 for a whole 14,644 views. Do you want to know? Do you want to find out what actually caused that? Great. So now let me show you. This particular video that you are watching over here actually was published. It was published on, let me show you over here, August 2023. And by then, this channel was not monetized. If you understand, this channel was monetized on March 2024. So by August 2023, this channel was not monetized. So the monetization, the revenue didn't start actually compiling or putting it up over here from the March 2024. So most of the views that you see over here got to this particular video before the account was monetized. And that is the reason I have always been telling you and always been showing and teaching you that do all that you can to get your account monetized as early as possible, else most of these views will go, I mean, without you getting any money from that. Oh yes, so for all you know, just few amount of the views actually got me the 0.27. You understand? So do well to get your account monetized in any possible way that you can. All right, that is very, very important. So the channel was actually monetized, as said earlier, in March 2024. And the video got viral around 2023, thereabout, possibly, as you can see, possibly got viral around 2023. Okay, so that is very, very important. So make sure you get your account monetized before that is within few days or few months when you actually start. That's exactly the reason I take time to take you through these tutorials over here 24/7, so that you get your account monetized within a short possible time. Okay, so after showing you this reason, let me let you see something over here too that is very important, and that might also cause that. Now let's get to the audience. You see, when you get to the audience and you check the top geography, you could see that the amount of views I had from Ghana is so huge. Yes, it's so huge, you understand. And you see, advertisers in Ghana over here do not actually pay more as compared to the top countries like the United States of America, United Kingdom, Germany, and other countries. And surprisingly, these are the top countries preceding, or I mean coming after Ghana. These top countries are even coming after Ghana with 11.7% of views coming from USA, 8.3 United Kingdom, and then 2.2 Germany, and then 2.1 Canada. You understand? So assuming I had all these top countries coming before Ghana, and the video got viral within 2024, that is after March, you could have imagined the amount I would have gotten over here. So that is it. Try to also optimize your YouTube videos to get more views, more traffic from United States of America, the top countries. It's actually going to help you a lot. All right, so that is it. And that is exactly what I decided to actually show you over here in this particular video. All right, so I'm going to make more videos on how to optimize your videos to get more traffic from United States of America. As recently, most of my videos are getting this traffic from United States of America and other top countries. So I'm going to make a lot of videos over here to help you be able to optimize your videos so well, so that you get more views from the top countries, so you can increase your revenue. You understand? So that's it, and that's exactly what I decided to actually show you in this particular video. As a result of being able to actually optimize my channel, I've been able to get huge amount of money from a couple of my videos over here. Let me show you even before I bring this one to an end. Let me show you. Recently I've been able to get a whole lot of huge amount of revenues from a single video. Let me show you this particular video that is doing the magic over here, and it's as a result of being able to optimize it. And that's exactly the reason I'm saying that do well to be able to optimize the video so well. All right, so this is the video. This particular video, Meet the Ghanaian Teacher, Inspiring Female Students, has been able to get me 113 US dollars, as you can see over here. Even now it's 120. Wow, this particular video, only one video, giving me 120 US dollars. That is me, the Ghanaian teacher, inspiring female students to build drones. You understand? So this one is having 25,138 views. That means 25 over here. Assuming we divide it into two, that would have been, I think, 12 or 13,000 views. Would have been able to get me half of it. That's around 60 US dollars. But the 14,000 couldn't even get me up to $1. You understand? So the optimization I'm talking about is very, very important to help you increase your revenue. So please do well to subscribe to this channel if you've not done that, and then turn on the notification bell so that when the optimization video drops, you can be the first person to get the video to watch. So you practice that to increase your YouTube revenue over here. So that's exactly what I decided to take you through over here. So do well to subscribe, and if you have found value in this video, please do well to share this video so it helps other people as well. So thank you very much. We'll meet next time in my next video. All that I'm saying is that God bless you, and hey, I wish you all the best. Okay, don't forget to like this video and check on my channel over here to get a lot of captivating videos to watch, so you can also grow your YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and do have a wonderful time.